This is a cat video of Jamine and Emma wrestling. And look at Emma. She's the female there. She's the one. She's always the instigator. And he's so much bigger than her. There she goes. And yeah, sometimes when they wrestle, I'm like, oh, I feel sorry for them, but I know they're having fun. They're just having play fun. But oh, sometimes it doesn't look like it. Look at her go. So stay tuned. There's more wrestling fun. This wrestling match looks a little rough. I remember when they were doing it, I was getting a little worried. But they do love each other, and there was no growling or hissing, and they do like each other. So, here they are after roughhousing. Oh, look at them. They're all vegged out. Look at Emma. She's yawning. Yep, and he's going to be in a moment. Yep. They're all tuckered out. There he goes. There she goes again. Yeah, they're funny. They make me laugh. We have fun here. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it made you laugh or smile. I like doing it in slow motion, something different. So, till next time, we'll see ya.